The sword is said to be of Sangsapurba's legendary sword, where he slaughtered the great serpent or snake, and he ruled Palembang with the sword. Very good minister Tutpera. The sword or Keris Churasimajakani will bring us to success, definitely greater success.
To kick off, use iMovie. And in iMovie, what you want to do first is to add the video. And here I've added the video of the Keris at the back on the beach. And what you want to do is just add it to the scene there, right? And second, we want to add the green screen video. And you can do that by tapping the more button and the green/blue screen button there, and it will, voila, the green screen effect is ready to go. You can also use the split screen feature by using the more button and tapping split screen there, and voila, there, awesome, side by side the Keris and Paramiswara there. You can also edit using the pinch to zoom feature, and you can zoom in there to make the shot better, and also swap right now, top, bottom, left, right. So that's what you can do. Next, you can also add some video filters here, right? I've added the silent era on the Paramiswara video, and also added another silent era on the Keris video there. Awesome, right?
My iPad STEM idea. Let's go!